representing UGU Netball Federation. Namhlanje sinama games ethu. It's a tournament crossing to ama-trials ethu. Ama-trials are for under 19s, under 21s, males, seniors, and we are going to have a Premier's Cup manje on the 19th to the 22nd of February. So nakhona siphinde sazokwenzela that team ama-trials namhlanje. It's big thing, umnandi, maningi, the integration, imnandi, the games, everybody is actually enjoying themselves. Nathi besingathembanga turn up engaka, especially the male side. But for the males, we actually have 5 full teams and ama reserves akhona, which means in netball, male side is going. We were actually happy to have assistance from South Coast KZN, which is Action Sports Arena, our new arena in the coast. Siyabonga kakhulu ukubona ngokusiza due to weather challenges. They accommodated us la. It's a beautiful event despite all of that. We've been having a lot of fun. And our team ethu selector namhlanje, they will represent UGU champs are under 19s, which will be in Joburg, TNL, Telkom Netball League, and then we have under 21 as well as our seniors who will also attend USPA champs for seniors, and then the males will also have champs in the course of the year. Nakhona team esiwathole la, they will go and represent UGU there. So senzile umsebenzi omningi ngosuku oluyi-1, which is a big success at this point.
Igama lami Yolani Makanqoko. Lana sizodlala ama-trials a-UGU under 19. Igame esengiyidlalile ibishube kakhulu because nginokutatazela okuncane, melokhu ngishweba, ngiphithizela nje ekhanda because ngiyasaba. So and kugcwele abantu la bazongibuka, so like ngiyasaba kakhulu.
Nginibingelele, nguzamano kaGumede from Department of Sport, Arts and Culture, ku-UGU District. Kuyajabulisa ukuthi ke unyaka usuqalile, kube khona ama-plans amaningi enzekile kuplanwa, and ke i-netball isiqalile yavula nge-tournament yayo enawonke ama-local municipalities namhlanje ahlangene lana ukuzoselecta izikwadi ezihlukile for unyaka abazoparticipate. Abanye bengafika kuma-national championship, abanye bengadlala ku-TNL, kukhona nama-males akhona lana, kuphinde kube nama-females kuma-different squad, so ku-under 16, ma-juniors, all the way to ama-seniors. So-ke siyajabula kakhulu ukuthi emva ama-plannings amaningi isiyaqala i-competition ye-netball, nezikwadi bazokwazi ukuyilungiselela unyaka wonke ngoba izobe sezikhona bayiselecte namhlanje. Kuhlangene wonke ama-LMs, kuhlangene ama-teams, kuhlangene nje ngishilo kuma-juniors kuzobe kuma-seniors, so babambisene bonke ukuthi bekwazi ukukhipha izikwadi ezihlukile ezizorepresenta i-district esogwini kulo nyaka lo ka-2026.
Kakhulu ukuthi ngiyeke ukushweba, ngidevelop more skills on shooting, yeah, like ngibe nama movements asile azongenza ngikwazi ukuselecta. And into engifuna ukuimprove khona throughout the year, I must focus on myself. I must gym hard, I must work hard, train and be focused. I must listen to my coaches and also everything. Yeah, ama-games sizodlala throughout this year, Salga, ama-national champs waziwatrylela manje, club development ebesiyile kuwona last year safike sabo number 3. So yeah, I think ijourney yami through this year is overrise because I have a lot to play because ngisala 16 years, ngiqualify manje 16 years, yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Lucha at Action Sports. I'm the manager here. I just want to tell you guys about the arena we have here. So we provide courts for indoor when it rains, whenever you can come here. We host soccer, hockey, netball, cricket, you name it. You can come, volleyball, tennis. Bring your kids, play. There's a bar upstairs, kiosk downstairs, kitchen, you name it. Yeah, I'm glad we could help out. We were there at the Ugu trials today. It started raining, so we said that we can provide courts here for you guys. It's a lovely day outside now. Weather turned out great. Yeah. When you guys want a place to come when it rains, whenever, just pop in here, Action Sports in Shelly Beach. And yeah, a lovely place, lovely venue. We here. If you want to contact us, feel free to do so. Me, myself, Luit at 084-518-6185 or email us at info.sckzn@actionsports.co.za.
Tina, we are very excited about 2026. I think 2025 uphele ngegear eliphezulu ngokuthi isquad sasogwini esiparticipated kuma-provincial Salga Games siqede number 2 ku-province, which is the highest number that we have ever finished as Ugu. And I think kuya khona wonke ama-federations ngomsebenzi wawo abawenzile. Thina njengo-DSEC, we are always saying asikwazi ukwenza lutho sisodwa ngoba ama-custodians ama-federations iwona ane-blueprint ye-development, iwona thina siyawa-supporter ukuze ukuthi bekwazi ukuthi beqhubeke nemidlalo yabo akabayenzayo.
Me, myself, I play for the SKZN under 23 side at indoor action. Stoked to be part of it, to play for my province. Is that and then yeah, I hope today went great. It feels like it went great. Every time there's an intercept, something, crowd went wild. So yeah, I'm hoping for the best. Glad to be part of it, glad to participate in it, and yeah, let's hope for the best.
Kulo nyaka kakhulu sina wonke ama-programs u-school sport nje uyaqala evikini elilandelayo kuzobe kukhona ama-athletics both kuma-primary schools nakuma-high schools azohamba ngomhla 11 namhla 12 February azoya ku-cluster competition emva kwalokho ngomhla 21 February bese kuba khona ama-provincials nama-national competitions. So-ke ngiyabona ukuthi-ke kusukile i-program kona konke sekusukile njengamanje. Okunye futhi i-program ya-club development kulo nyaka, again we are looking ukuthi to have an exciting program lapho kunama-coach khona i-tennis, kube khona i-volleyball, kube khona i-football, kube khona i-netball. Nayo futhi i-program ya-club development izobe inamalokhuze ama-developments amaningi in giving iy'ngane amathuba ukuthi zidlale kulama-club esinawo. So-ke namanye ama-programs kukhona kuningi engicabanga ukuthi njengisho kunyaka ka-2026 kuzosiphathela okuningi ngoba iy'ngane siyayifisa ukuthi zidlale ngoba that's the only way nasekwazi ukudevelopa nje siphethe i-program ye-progression, kodwa singakhohlwa ukuthi at the district level kuqala phansi noma participation kunyuke all the way up to provincial level, namanye ama-codes ayafika naku-national level.